Alright, so this is an Enamel percolator I just got off Amazon. It's in pot and 4 mug set. 8 cup capacity, 12 ounce cups. And basically includes the percolator stem and basket. And you want to make sure you get coffee that's nice and chunky. You put 8 teaspoons or 8 tablespoons of coffee in the percolator basket, and you fill the coffee pot. It's really easy to do. And then you stick it on heat. This is great at camping sites because you never know where you're going to get your heat from, and so this coffee pot is really durable. Stick it right in the fire if you need to. And so Carl got one, and so I thought I'd get one. So yeah, this is it. Doesn't come with any instructions. Except on the back here, which tells you how many scoops of coffee to put in, but that's about it. It's a really rudimentary system, but yeah, that's it. So in a few seconds here, I'm gonna have a cup of coffee. Well, the results are in. Percolated coffee is really good. The process is really simple. You add your coarse 8 coarse tablespoons of coffee grounds. You put the thing on heat until it starts bubbling, and then you let it percolate and bubble up for about 5 minutes, and then you put it on low heat to keep it warm. And that's the key to a perfect cup of percolated coffee. So stuff is amazing. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this review.